My microwave has started making crackling noises even when not in use. Is this cause for concern?
Hi, can you post the make and model number please? Also, can you smell burning? Regards.
There is no burning. It is a caple CM116 unit and just over a year old.
Hi, okay, is it making the crackling noise all the time? Regards.
Yes, my wife heated some baked beans in it earlier in the usual microwavable dish. After use it was crackling on the inside. I can see no food stuck to anywhere and it was used over 3 hours ago, but the noise still remains.
Hi, okay, to be honest this doesn't sound right, as when it's turned off there should be no noise from it. Try pulling the plug out and refit it and see if this stops it. But if not, then you will need to get it checked out, as this isn't right. As the crackling could be the wires arcing, so I would disconnect the power to it straight away and have it checked out. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.